In the region surrounding Niš, Serbia, personnel from the Mixed Artillery Brigade are actively participating in rigorous training sessions with the 155mm B-52 M15 Nora self-propelled howitzers. These drills, conducted both within their base and in designated training areas, are designed to enhance their proficiency in combat readiness. The primary objectives of these exercises include improving the speed of formation during battle, ensuring swift deployment to firing positions, and mastering artillery firing techniques with precision. Second Lieutenant Maja Stojiljkovic, who serves as a platoon commander within a battery of self-propelled howitzers, described the Nora B-52 M15 as one of the most sophisticated fire support systems currently in use. When compared to the older 152mm M84 towed howitzer, the B-52 M15 offers superior mobility, higher accuracy, and increased firepower, she explained. Additionally, this modern system allows for a much faster transition from travel mode to combat readiness. While technical expertise in handling the weapon is essential, tactical efficiency is equally critical for ensuring mission success. Sergeant First Class Nikola Zivanovic, a squad leader in one of the artillery batteries, emphasized the powerful capabilities of this cutting-edge weapon system. "This is a formidable and highly advanced artillery unit that we all take great pride in operating," he remarked. Serving in the Mixed Artillery Brigade is an honor, as it provides secure employment, early retirement options, career progression opportunities, and access to an outstanding military healthcare system that benefits both service members and their families. As part of their training, soldiers are instructed in maneuvering, loading, and maintaining the B-52 M15 Nora. Corporal Filip Stankovic, one of the howitzer operators, described his key responsibilities. "I am responsible for maneuvering the howitzer into position, loading it with artillery rounds, and swiftly transitioning it from travel mode to combat readiness." The 155mm B-52 M15 Nora is outfitted with a powerful 155mm main gun, a 20mm secondary weapon, and a 12.7mm machine gun for added firepower. The Nora B-52, also known as the B-52 M15, is a highly advanced self-propelled artillery system designed and manufactured in Serbia. Developed by the Military Technical Institute in collaboration with Yugoimport SDPR, it first entered production in 2006 and remains in active manufacturing today. Its combination of firepower, mobility, and protective features makes it an attractive asset for modern military forces. The weight of the vehicle varies between 27.4 and 34 metric tons, depending on its specific version, including variants such as the K0, K1, M03, or KI. Measuring approximately 11 meters in length, 2.95 meters in width, and 3.45 meters in height, the Nora B-52 strikes a balance between an imposing presence and effective maneuverability. It is powered by a robust 410 horsepower turbo diesel engine and operates on an 8x8 wheel configuration, allowing it to traverse difficult terrains with ease. The vehicle can reach speeds of up to 90 km per hour on roads and has an impressive operational range of up to 1,000 km in its KI version. The primary weapon system of the Nora B-52 is a 155mm/52 caliber gun, which features either a 23-liter or 25-liter chamber, depending on the configuration. It is capable of firing between 6 and 12 rounds per minute, with the ability to launch the first 3 rounds in just 20 seconds. This rapid-fire capability, combined with a maximum firing range of 56 kilometers when using ERFB/RABB VLAP type munitions, makes it an invaluable asset for long-range fire support missions. In terms of protection, the Nora B-52 meets the stringent STANAG 4569 standards for armored defense. Its front and rear are reinforced to level 2, while the sides feature level 1 protection. The vehicle also incorporates anti-mine protection, STANAG 4569 level 2A and 2B, and an NBC, nuclear, biological, and chemical, defense system that includes a pressurized hull and an advanced ventilation filtration system. For additional firepower, the artillery system is equipped with a secondary 7.62mm machine gun, with the option to integrate a remote-controlled weapon station featuring either a 7.62mm or 12.7mm machine gun, depending on the mission requirements. These enhancements further boost its combat effectiveness, making the Nora B-52 a well-rounded and reliable artillery system. As the largest artillery unit within the Serbian armed forces, the Mixed Artillery Brigade plays a pivotal role in national defense operations. Its personnel are highly trained to execute precision strikes and provide sustained fire support in a variety of combat scenarios. The extensive training exercises currently underway reinforce Serbia's commitment to maintaining a well-prepared and effective artillery force. With continued investment in training and modern military technology, Serbia is ensuring that its armed forces remain capable of delivering accurate and decisive firepower when needed. The ongoing development of the Nora B-52 platform underscores the country's focus on advancing its artillery capabilities and solidifying its position as a key player in modern military strategy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.